Mr. Haley here again. Now I'm going to be talking about the Joe staff. First thing I'll tell students when you pick out a Joe staff, always try to have it around armpit level high. You can buy them at martial arts stores, or you can even go to your local hardware store, get a hard piece of rod, fix it up, whatever you'll do with it, as long as it works and it's solid. Okay? Especially when you get some of our drills down the road, striking and blocking drills, you don't want you to break it in two. So you may want a sturdier one for that, maybe something else for counters and drills. The thing about a Joe staff, it can be used any common way. Because like I say, you find it a broomstick handle or a stick laying around, that's what's an effective weapon. So today I'm going to be showing you some of the basic twirling techniques, warm-up techniques, as well as a couple of basic blocks and strikes. Now when it comes to blocks and strikes, you got variations. You got military strikes and sliding strikes and blocks. So as I go around, I'll tell you which is which, and we'll show you. So first off, we're going to start with some basic twirling techniques. Okay. First one I just call a front flip techniques, where I have one hand up, one hand down, and you'll just flip side to side. Catch and carry, catch and carry. I almost lost it that time, but that's all right. Just get your rhythm going, flip it. Now the whole idea is you want to flip it almost over the hand, so it just flips over the hand nice and smooth. So I come here, pick a little speed. Now from there, I'll just go to the side mode, where I come to the side. Once again, works the same way as the front side. The only thing difference is I'm doing it to my side here. Okay, so we'll go front, side. Now when you get a little more comfortable with it, then you go to what we call the unarmed. Bring it this way. Just a little twist over this way technique. Okay, once again, these are just get you warmed up in some of the things we like to do. So flip to the front, side. Okay, you can flip over top and up. That's another one I like to teach everybody. Work the forearm, work the hands. Come off the other side, flip up and out. Flip, work the arms, things here. So them are some of the basic ones. Once again, front, side flips. Okay, underarms, don't forget the underarms when we come around. Always like nunchucks, you see people do nunchucks. So those are the basic ones. Also, another one I like is the front twirl hand techniques, where I have a staff here and I'm going forward. I can just spin it right in front of me this way. Just a constant spin. Nice motion. Okay, that's just a couple of the basic techniques. And I can always go to the next one. Now, a couple quick blocks and strikes. Okay, anytime you do a block with a staff or anything, you mean force with force. Now, not often you're going to run into another person with staff, fine. But for our purposes, let's say we're fighting somebody else with staff or some other technique or knife, what have you. The main thing to remember is like on a rising block, be like just coming up, use your energy weight coming forward, pop the staff. Don't just hold it, you want to pop the staff up. I go down, like somebody go keep me a groin or hit the groin. Pop down. Try not to overlean, but you want to lean the staff out away from you. So I can block high, block low. Transition side block. I come up to one side here. There's another variations. You can come circle block, or if I'm here, I can just come straight across, depending on how fast they are. So once again, up, down, side, side, or straight across side. These are the ones works. Now, so the basic striking techniques will be a down strike, will be just coming down this way, or I come up strikes this way. I can, once again, side, side, rear thrust, front thrust. Some people call it pull stick thrust. I can slide it forward or slide it out. Then we are sliding strikes. Now, military strike we consider if I head onto it, back and forth. Or if I come side to side, military. Now, if I let my hand slide as I do that, that's considered a sliding strike. Once again, so that's just some of the basics. Once again, up, down block, side to side. Okay, strikes be down or across. I can go up, back, forward, sliding, sliding. Or I can always come from the back side, coming this way. Or I come from the back side, straight up and strike this way. Once again, they're all effective. Well, these are just some basic drills we'll learn and teach as we go along in the sets of how to use your staff properly. Once again, main thing to remember is the staff is just an extension of you, so don't lose your weapon. So a lot of times when I see me do a staff compared to some other arts, I like to lock it into my body a lot. Here, coming down here. If I come across this way, I'm always pulling it against something, so it's harder to take it away from somebody. So once again, if I do a side strike and they're able to grab it, it's easy for me to just pull up and just pull the hands from around. But if I'm too far out and they try to do it, I don't have the leverage anymore. So try always keep it locked in your body somewheres every time you do a technique. That's just a few basics of the Joe. Practice a few of these. Make sure you're out in the yard so when you're spinning it or twirling it, you don't lose your weapon. Once again, hate to see it break a window.